So do y'all want to see what I've got going on in my backyard that I lovingly call Tamsterdam? Come on with me. Let's go outside. Let's see what's going on out here. It just rained, y'all. It's hot. It's sticky. It's July in Kentucky. Let me show you what's going on outside in my backyard. Y'all, I still need to paint this. That's on my list of projects to do. Got my little garden here. Somebody can tell me why these tomatoes aren't tomatoing. They're making me sad. But these are doing their thing. Got some lettuce, got some other tomatoes. My marigolds look beautiful. Look at my sweet potato slips. The actual sweet potato, I guess I need to throw that away because it is gross. But look at the vines. These, not so much. These, not so much. I don't know why. Something's eating my beans. Don't know what's eating my beans, but probably the same thing that's been out here eating these tomatoes. Why are they eating these tomatoes? I think it's a chipmunk. I'm pretty sure I got rid of the bunny. So I think I've gotten rid of that bunny. I'm gonna show y'all what I've done. I plugged up the hole that it was coming through. And then I put some cayenne pepper and some pepper flakes there. There was this hole right here that it was coming through. So I plugged it up. And I put some red pepper flakes. Probably doesn't want to come in my yard now. But I was out here the other day and I saw something run through and it was small and it looked black and I'm pretty sure it was a chipmunk. I think I got a chipmunk that's been eating those tomatoes. Let's go on with the tour of my yard. Let me show you all my snake plants. Look at this. Baby. Let me see. Baby. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure this one right here is new. Offspring everywhere. It's loving being outside. That's new on this one. I'm pretty sure this one's new. They are loving being outside. Now my monstera, I don't know what's going on with that. And my poor birds of paradise, I don't know. But these snake plants are in heaven. In heaven. So thank you all for watching another episode of What's Going On in Tamsterdam. Come back and watch next time. Have a good day.